I'm Robert Palazzolo. I'm in the MS Marketing program here at Baruch, and I am graduating May of this year. I was previously working for an advertising agency, specifically within media buying and digital media buying, to be very specific. And as I moved up in the agency world and started to get more exposure, I realized that I was hitting a bit of a ceiling. I felt like most of what I could learn on the job, I had kind of already learned, or I was getting to that point where there wasn't a ton left that I could pick up just with on-the-job experience. The program had just the right balance to me of the basics, the things that you have to know to really be successful in marketing and business writ large, while still giving me some ability to customize, pick what I wanted, and pick what I knew was going to be important for my career. They had individual concentrations within the MS marketing program that really appealed to me. It wasn't like I had to just go in and there was one track and that was all I could do. I picked the marketing management concentration because it had a really broad variety of electives that I could take. There's a reason Zicklin is rated and Baruch is rated very highly in terms of value for the dollar you pay in terms of education. Being in New York, there's people from all over the world. And the large international community here meant that I could learn things from a perspective that I didn't know or appreciate beforehand. It opens like an intellectual curiosity kind of door, not only about marketing, but business more broadly and world affairs more broadly. I find that I'm just much more eager to learn everything that I possibly can while I'm here. The courses are not just about checking off boxes of what you need to know. It's also about the why, it's also about the how, and it's about how do I take these things and apply them in a completely different context in the future.